Hello everyone. Welcome to the 19th video of the Adobe After Effects tutorial from beginner to advanced. In this video, I will teach you how to use preCompose in After Effects. If you want to learn the After Effects software completely, please subscribe to my channel. In Adobe After Effects, preCompose is used to package a number of layers in a new composition. preCompose is similar to grouping layers in Photoshop. By grouping these layers together, you can add animations, effects, or masks that are then applied to all the layers inside. I have 3 layers in the timeline, and I want to put the text layer and the logo in a preCompose. To do this, I click on the logo layer, and while holding the Control button, I also select the text layer. In this way, every 2 layers are selected. I right-click on one of the layers and select the preCompose option. We can also select the preCompose option from the layer menu or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+C. After selecting the preCompose option, this window will appear. I type a name for preCompose. As you can see, the first option is currently inactive. We use this option to place selected layers in a preCompose. Also, if we have added effects, keyframes, or any other attributes to the selected layers, they will be transferred to preCompose. Activate this option to adjust the duration of the composition with the time of the selected layers. If this option is activated, after pressing the OK button, we will enter the new composition immediately. Now I click on the OK button. In this way, a preCompose with the name blue is created, which contains both selected layers. Also, a new composition with the same name has been created in the project panel. If you double-click on preCompose, you will see both layers in the new composition. Now, any changes we make on the layers will be applied to preCompose. For example, I make the letter B white. Now, if I return to the previous composition, the change has also been applied to the preCompose. In preCompose settings, we can animate both layers at the same time. For example, I create an animation for the position option. In this way, both layers are moved to the top of the image at the same time. Now I want to create another type of preCompose, so I'll hit Ctrl+Z several times to go back. This time I just select the logo layer and select preCompose option with right-click. I change the name of preCompose, and this time I choose the first option. I also activate the Open New Composition option so that it enters the composition immediately. Now I import a new logo. I will remove this logo and replace it with the new logo. In this way, all the attributes of this layer are transferred to another logo. In fact, if there are effects and animations in this layer, the new logo will have the same effects and animations. I will make this logo smaller and return to the previous composition. You can see that this logo has replaced the previous one. Now, in the settings of this preCompose, I create an animation for the logo. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this tutorial till the end. Please like the video and leave a comment for me. Subscribe to see more tutorials. I see you next time.